Hi everyone. Today I'm going to give a talk on a thought I had in regards to EVOs. So I want to know what is an EVO and why are they important. So here is the talk. See, um, okay, okay. What is an EVO and why are they important in terms of Ken Shoulder's work? So this talk was aided by ChatGPT. EVO stands for Exotic Vacuum Object, a term coined by Ken Shoulders, a pioneering researcher in the field of high-density electron clusters and vacuum physics. Shoulders discovered that under certain specific conditions, electrons can form dense, self-organized, plasmoid-like structures that exhibit unusual properties, such as high energy density. EVOs can store and release large amounts of energy. Coherent behavior. Unlike conventional plasma, EVOs seem to maintain a structured, self-stable form. Reduced inertial mass. Some researchers suggest that EVOs might exhibit anomalous inertial effects, potentially linking them to exotic propulsion concepts. Potential for overunity. Certain experiments suggest that EVOs might extract energy from the vacuum or interact with zero-point energy in ways not fully understood. Why are EVOs important? Shoulders' work suggests that EVOs could be the key to, one, new energy technology. If EVOs can be harnessed efficiently, they might provide an alternative energy source. Number two, advanced propulsion. Anomalous inertia effects could lead to breakthrough space propulsion technologies. Three, understanding the vacuum. EVOs challenge mainstream quantum electrodynamics and could provide experimental evidence for alternative theories of the vacuum, possibly linking to subquantum kinetics. Number four, biological and consciousness studies. Some theorists speculate that EVO-like structures may play a role in biological energy transport and even consciousness-related phenomena. What is the connection between EVOs and subquantum kinetics? The connection between exotic vacuum objects and the subquantum kinetics lies in their potential role as structured energy fluctuations within the vacuum, possibly serving as experimental evidence for subquantum processes beyond conventional quantum field theory. Quantum field theory. Key connections between EVOs and SQK. Number one, vacuum as a dynamic self-organizing medium. Ken Shoulders described EVOs as coherent electron clusters that form structured, self-sustaining entities within the vacuum. Subquantum kinetics, Paul Laviolette, posed space-time is an open reactive system rather than a passive quantum field, with energy fluctuations leading to macroscopic order. EVOs may represent localized, self-organized soliton-like structures in this dynamic subquantum medium. Number two, energy extraction from the vacuum. EVOs exhibit anomalous energy behaviors, seemingly drawing energy from the surrounding vacuum. SQK suggests that energy can be spontaneously generated and dissipated in an open, non-equilibrium systems, possibly linking EVO behavior to subquantum processes. This raises the possibility that EVOs act as conduits for energy exchange between the physical and subquantum realms. Number 3, charge clusters and gravity modification. Some researchers speculate that EVOs alter local space-time, potentially leading to gravitational anomalies. SQK predicts that charge distributions and vacuum density fluctuations influence gravitational effects, suggesting EVOs could be a microcosmic analog of astrophysical phenomena like gravitic solitons or etheric vortex structures. Number 4, torsion and consciousness links. EVOs demonstrate nonlinear and coherent behavior, possibly linked to self-organizing intelligence in nature. If SQK is correct in describing consciousness as an emergent property of subquantum fluctuations, EVOs might represent physical manifestations of coherent information processing at the vacuum level. Implications. If EVOs can be controlled, they might provide a new paradigm for energy production, propulsion, and even bioenergetic applications. It could serve as experimental evidence for structured, self-organizing subquantum ether, challenging mainstream quantum electrodynamics. Understanding their properties might bridge the gap between physics, consciousness studies, and mystical traditions that describe energetic fields influencing matter. Experimental evidence, engineering applications of EVOs in the context of subquantum kinetics. Number 1, experimental evidence of EVOs. Ken Shoulders EVO experiments. Shoulders conducted numerous experiments showing that EVOs form when high voltage discharges occur in a vacuum, exhibit self-coherence and travel without dispersing, unlike conventional plasmas, can penetrate materials and leave unusual surface modifications, implying anomalous energy interactions. Harold Aspdin's work conducted experiments on rotating plasmas and electron clusters that suggested interaction with a structured vacuum. Found inertia anomalies in charge clusters, supporting SQK's idea that mass is dynamically generated from the vacuum medium. Hutchinson effect. Hutchinson observed metal warping, levitation, and strange material transmutations under high voltage and radio frequency excitation, possibly indicating EVO-like effects. Some researchers suggest that these results align with SQK's predictions of vacuum polarization effects. Condensed matter nuclear reactions. Experiments in low-energy nuclear reactions, e.g. work by Whiddon and Larson, suggest that coherent electron clusters may catalyze nuclear reactions. This ties into SQK by implying that EVOs may be harnessing vacuum energy or enabling subquantum mediated transmutations. Number 2, engineering applications. A, energy generation, vacuum energy extraction. Theory, if EVOs are tapping into quantum vacuum fluctuations, they could serve as an energy extraction mechanism. Technology, devices that generate EVOs via high voltage discharges or resonant plasmas may be used to extract excess energy from the vacuum. Potential impact. If scalable, this could be the key to over-unity energy systems. B. Advanced propulsion, EVO-based space drives. Theory. EVOs may induce local space-time distortions, reducing inertial mass similar to EM drive concepts. Technology. Field generators using EVO clusters could create thrust without propellant, possibly interacting with the SQK-defined subquantum ether. Potential impact. A breakthrough in spacecraft propulsion, replacing conventional rocketry and field-based drives. C. Material science and alchemy, EVO-induced transmutation. Theory. EVOs appear to induce nuclear transmutation effects at low temperatures, possibly via subquantum interactions. Technology. Controlled EVO discharge in Pacific metal matrices may enable direct element conversion. Potential impact. This could revolutionize material science, rare metal extraction, and even nuclear waste remediation. D. Consciousness technology, bioenergetic applications. Theory. EVO-like charge clusters may be involved in biological energy processes, as suggested by biophotonic and bioelectromagnetic studies. Technology. Devices generating controlled EVOs might enhance biological coherence, healing, or even consciousness effects. Potential impact. A possible bridge between physics and energy medicine, supporting ideas from traditions like Qi, prana, and morphogenetic fields. Closing thoughts. The evidence suggests that EVOs could be macroscopic expressions of subquantum processes, providing experimental confirmation of subquantum kinetics. If properly harnessed, it might revolutionize energy, propulsion, material science, and even our understanding of consciousness. Okay, that's the end. Okay, everyone. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers. Take care. Bye.